guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my first bathroom cleaning video in our new apartment, and I really am excited to share this with you. As you can see, we have a very large mirror in the bath, which I love, by the way. We also have two sinks. One is the bathroom sink while the other one is for the laundry, because this is our laundry room at the same time. By the way, I just want to make it clear that I have already cleaned our bathroom since we first moved in here, but this is my first time filming it in this house. We also have this gorgeous shower, and for me it's a lot easier to clean since the shower tiles doesn't get dirty easily and the tile grout is a lot easier to clean too. We also placed this tiny bathroom cabinet or rack so that we can put our shampoo and soap bottles and everything. Anyway, let's start cleaning! So I always start by cleaning the toilet. I'm putting the toilet bowl cleaner first and then let it sit for a few minutes. And while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to wipe the toilet using the Necessity antibacterial cleaning wipes. Like I've said, this is my first time using the Necessity cleaning products, and I'm going to make a review about it once I'm done with all of it. For now, my first impression in this cleaning wipes is that I can't seem to use it properly, like I have to put my entire hands inside the container just for me to get a piece of the wipes. Also, I read at the back part of these cleaning wipes that you should use a gloves when using this, but I didn't use one, but knowing that, I immediately washed my hands thoroughly after using it.
Take a poll, I'm uncut out of control. Stroke of genius, about to blow like you never seen before. Once a week, post on Instagram and they be screaming goals. I be busy breaking molds, catching ice, I'm too cold. Yeah, frappuccino mocha, don't give me granola.
So I always wipe from the outside surface all the way to the inside, and I use a lot of wipes for the toilet bowl just because I want it to be really clean. I also make sure to wipe at least twice the toilet seat because that's where we sit.
They be tryna bling on my frequency. Got my fingers covered in Swarovski. Champagne breath from the party. Fendi balls hanging from my car keys. How do I put this harshly? Play a fake bitch like a Barbie. Just drop it like it's hot quick. For the 7 million fans that I be with. You wanna be slick, but you cannot fit. So you better put it back in your sock prick. Having fun. A, B, C, D, E. If you want. Cup of Hennessy. And a blunt. Like a fog machine. Can't name one.
Anyway, after wiping away, I'm going to proceed with brushing the toilet bowl.
Little crowd, but still you are standing out. I'm sitting with you now, swear that I might leave the ground.
Now I'm cleaning this sink area. I like to start with our bathroom mirror, so as usual, I'm going to use the Thieves household cleaner because it's just the perfect one to use for the mirror.
Silence all the noise and lower both our voices and talk slow. Yeah. Maybe we should go. I don't want a room so full. But I want you to know just how special I see you. I wish we were moving half speed. I want.
I'm soaking this dish drying mat because I can't put it in the washer. It says on the tag that it needs to be hand washed, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm also going to hand wash this microfiber cloths that I used just so I won't waste soap and water.
Like small talk, yeah, we can never get too deep. I don't see what's up with only putting in our feet as they go through walls off.
As you already know, I load laundry once a day, but it's not really every day since I do my laundry in batches. So I currently have 4 batches for the laundry in general. I'll probably share to you how I do my laundry in another video soon.
All the noise and lower both our voices and talk slow. Yeah, talk slow.
What I usually do after using the toilet brush is to pour water in it and add some bleach so that I could soak it in to clean it. And then I'm back to the bathroom sink, so I'm wiping it first with the cleaning wipes and then I'm going to spray it with the Earthwise bathroom cleaner and let it sit for a few minutes. Now, I'm wiping the shower. So a while ago, we already sprayed the bathroom cleaner in it. I'm using this Earthwise plant-powered shower and bathroom cleaner for the first time. It's in eucalyptus and lemon flavor. This is an eco-friendly cleaning solution which is free from phosphate, chlorine, and ammonia, and so far, I'm loving it. It's also around the same price as the other cleaning products, and since it's around the same price as the others, I'd rather choose this eco-friendly one rather than those harmful ones. And then of course, I'm using the Thieves Household Cleaner for the shower glass. Going back to the sink, I'm finally going to wipe out the cleaning solution which we sprayed earlier with a damp microfiber cloth.
Good morning, baby. How are you?
Now, I haven't gotten the chance to organize our under the sink cabinets ever since we moved in here, so this is the first time that I'm organizing it, and I'm still going to organize it further since I want to maximize the space inside, but for now, this will do.
But you're undressing. I see the brown hair fall off your shoulder. How am I supposed to move on when you call me? But I know you don't want me.
Lastly, I'm going to vacuum and mop the floor. I like to add a cup of fabric conditioner in the water that I'm using to mop the floor so that it would leave a nice smell in the bath.
Can I trust my emotions? Is it the heat of the moment? Cause my heart just exploded when I saw your face. Cause your eyes held me captive. Ooh, I ain't asking for ransom, and I'm still not reacting. What am I waiting for? Am I afraid, I wanna talk to you. I should've known, I should've stopped for you. Ooh. I've been waiting for a girl like you, but I don't know if I should make a move. Cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again, but I won't forget that ocean blue.
And of course, I'm going to clean my mop using detergent and bleach. I'd like to soak it for a few hours, so I'll put it out of the shower later tonight, and then that's it.
There's the things that I know about you. Number one's that you got options, cause any guy would be free falling. Lucky to have you. Number two's that you're real girl. Messy bun, my ideal girl. Number three is
I do hope that you like this video, and if you do, please click like and hit on the bell icon to keep you notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and see you on the next one.
see you again.